my hair is parted from ear to ear with 13 braids across the top, and it's connected to, I believe, about probably seven braids in the back. This is my back view. You'll need a crochet needle, 2 hair clips to keep the hair out of place. I am blessed edge control or any type of edge control, and a pair of scissors. Be using is the Outre Bahamas Curl. This hair is 24 inches long. When I say long, this hair is long. I pre-installed most of the hair, and I left 3 rows to finish with you guys. This right here will be my parting space. Right here. What you need to do is take a piece of hair. You can hold it any way that is comfortable to you. Insert the needle under the braid. Put the hair in the hook, bring that needle through, grab the loop. What you're going to do is insert the hair. You're going to twist the hair 2 to 3 times, bring the hair through, twist the hair once, bring it through, twist it once again, and you can lock the hair in place. And you move on to the next part. I'll do it again for you guys. You're going to put the crochet needle underneath the braid, insert the hair inside the hook, close the latch, bring it through, grab the loop. You're going to put the hair through the loop. You're going to twist the hair 2 to 3 times, put the hair through the loop, twist it once, and you can do that as many times as you want. And you're going to pull the hair to lock it into place. Here I'm going to speed up the video and just finish out that row crochet. It's just a basic loop method. That's what I did with most of my hair. At the parting space, I will be doing a different technique. Okay, now I'm going to do the invisible part. I'm going to insert the latch hook needle underneath the braid. Put the hair in the latch. And now with the loop, I'm only going to bring 1 strand of hair through. And I'm just going to twist the hair once and insert the hair, twist it again, insert the hair, and I'm going to pull each side. I'm going to do it again. Put the needle under the braid, attach the hair, grab the loop. I'm going to take 1 piece of hair and hold the other piece in my hand, and I'm going to put the hair through the loop, twist the hair, put it through the loop. I do that probably 2 to 3 times, and I pull each strand of hair to lock that loop in place. And I continue to do that for the remaining length of that particular braid. Right here you see me filling in the different spaces. I was using my viewfinder to install this hair. So I'm just finding the blank spaces and I'm filling it in with the invisible part method. Most of it is done on camera. This hair is 24 inches long. It is touching my bum. This hair is full, it's soft, and it's very voluminous. I'm zooming in so you guys can get a closer view of my edges. I don't braid my edges. I'm in the process of trying to get them to grow back and thicker and fuller. So I am going to use my I Am Blessed Hands edge control. This edge control is the truth. It lays any and everything down. I'm just apply a small amount to my edges, and I'm going to use my little edge brush to brush and comb everything into place the way that I want. I do some swoops here, some swoops there, just lay them right to make the style look more neat. I used the oil that was close to me is the Jamaican mango lime oil, and I use that on my edges and also just to put the oil over the edge control. Even though this edge control is the truth, it gets a little drying, so you do need some oil over it, and the edges are still laid after you add the oil over it. Okay, I'm about to start cutting this hair. The hair was a bit too long for me. I know that I didn't want to go with the longer length. I was trying to cut it a bit shorter, but I ended up cutting a whole lot of it off. Almost half of the 24 inches was cut off, but it still turned out amazing. This is the Outre Bahamas Curl. This hair is pretty good. It feels pretty soft. I'm not going to know the longevity of the hair until I wear it for a while. I did use 5 full packs of the hair. I did not split the hair in half, but I'm thinking I should have split it in half because the hair was, as you can see, was down to my butt. So I probably could have gotten away with cutting the hair in half and have more hair. With the hair at its natural 24-inch length, I would say I could have easily put in an additional pack in the hair to make it even more fuller. But right now the hair, it feels pretty good. I'm gonna come back with a 2-week review on this hair to let you guys know how I feel about this hair. As of right now, It's real lightweight. It's real soft. You know, I didn't expect it to be this soft, especially with some of the pieces. I did end up splitting them in half. As far as the installation, it went pretty quick. Usually when I install crochets in my hair, it takes no more than an hour to complete the process because I go pretty fast when I'm actually doing my own hair. You know, the knots do not have to be perfect, you know, for me, you know. So, but as of right now, this is the hair. I'm gonna zoom, stand up. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see as well. Let me zoom out and stand up to give you guys a better view. This is the hair. I wanted to go a little bit shorter, but because of the, you know, it's still cold outside, so I wanted to have some length to, I wanted to have a little bit of length to at least, to be able to keep my neck warm. But I think I am going to go back in and maybe cut some more layers into it. It could be tamed a little bit more. But this is it, the Outre Bahamas Curl. I'll come back within 2 weeks and give you guys an update on how the hair, you know, what did I do to take care of the hair. Usually with my crochet hair, I love low maintenance hair. I like to get up and go. I usually don't put anything in my hair. So as of right now, I haven't put anything in this hair, and I'm hoping I don't have to. So we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.